I have my Festool sanding station set up. So I will be sanding the flats with my 5-inch orbital sander. It also connects through Bluetooth to the vacuum. Makes it very efficient for me to work. I just gotta connect the Bluetooth. And now it's on. I can then switch to my 3x5 sander. Also Bluetooth battery connected to my vacuum. I have my squishy foam pad on my Festool 3x5 sander, so it helps to really get into those corners much easier. Then I can also switch it over to my Festool vacuum end and vacuum up all the dust. Right over here I have my Festool Sys Air Purifier that's helping to clean the air. And down below right here I have my Festool vacuum all connected to my 3 devices, my vacuum end, my 3x5 sander, and my Festool orbital sander.